Hey guys, welcome back! Thinking about buying your first drone but not sure which one to choose? With so many options out there, it's easy to pick the wrong one and waste your money. In this video, we've selected the top beginner-friendly drones that are easy to fly, reliable, and offer great value. We'll break down everything you need to know so you can make the right choice. Let's get started. The first on the list is the DJI Neo 2. The DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo presents itself as a compact yet feature-rich drone designed for beginners and casual users. It weighs only 151 grams, which makes it highly portable and easy to carry anywhere. Moreover, the inclusion of full-coverage propeller guards adds an extra layer of safety during flights. The palm takeoff and landing feature simplifies operation, while gesture control allows users to interact with the drone effortlessly. Performance-wise, the drone stands out with its 4K video recording and 12-megapixel still capture, delivering crisp and vibrant visuals. The active track feature ensures smooth subject tracking, which is especially useful for outdoor activities like cycling or running. Furthermore, omnidirectional obstacle sensing enhances flight safety by detecting obstacles in real time. The digital transceiver ensures stable and low-latency video transmission, making control more responsive. Intelligent shooting modes such as selfie shot and quick shots further enhance creative possibilities. However, one downside is the lack of a microSD card slot. Storage is limited to 49 gigabytes internal memory, which can slow down data transfer and restrict expandability. Overall, the DJI Neo 2 Fly More combo is a reliable and user-friendly drone, making it a strong recommendation for beginners seeking quality and convenience. At number 2, we have the Holystone HS600D. The Holystone HS600D is a powerful and well-designed drone aimed at adult users seeking professional-level performance. It features a robust 603-gram frame, which enhances durability and stability during flight. Moreover, the inclusion of a 3-axis brushless gimbal combined with electronic image stabilization ensures smooth and shake-free footage. The drone is equipped with a Sony complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor, allowing it to capture stunning 8K photos at 48 megapixels and high-quality 4K HDR videos. As a result, it performs exceptionally well in both bright and low-light conditions. In terms of flight performance, the HS600D excels with its advanced positioning systems, including GPS, optical flow, and time-of-flight sensors. These technologies work together to provide precise hovering and improved safety. Additionally, it offers an impressive 6-kilometer transmission range using a wired relay system, ensuring a stable and low-latency video feed. The dual battery setup delivers up to 80 minutes of flight time, which is ideal for extended shooting sessions. Smart features such as Follow Me, Smart Tracking, and Panorama Mode further enhance creativity and ease of use. Furthermore, the drone is beginner-friendly despite its advanced capabilities. It includes one-button takeoff and landing, auto-return, and a dedicated beginner mode for safer operation. The Level 6 wind resistance also ensures stable performance in challenging conditions. Overall, the Holystone HS600D stands out as a reliable and feature-rich drone, making it a highly recommended choice for users seeking quality and versatility. At number 3, we have the DJI Mini 4K. The DJI Mini 4K Fly More combo is a compact and highly capable drone designed for beginners and enthusiasts alike. It weighs under 249 grams, which makes it travel-friendly and regulation-friendly in many regions. Its foldable design further enhances portability, allowing users to carry it easily. Additionally, the package includes 3 intelligent flight batteries, a charging hub, and a shoulder bag, offering excellent value. The one-tap takeoff and landing feature simplifies operation, while GPS-based return to home ensures added safety during flights. In terms of performance, the drone delivers impressive 4K ultra-high-definition video and 12-megapixel photos with excellent detail and natural colors. The 3-axis gimbal stabilization plays a crucial role in producing smooth, cinematic footage even in windy conditions. Moreover, the 10-kilometer HD video transmission allows users to explore wide landscapes with stable connectivity. The brushless motors provide strong wind resistance, supporting flights in up to level 5 winds. Intelligent quick shots such as drone, helix, rocket, and circle add creative flexibility, enabling users to capture professional-looking shots effortlessly. However, the drone lacks object collision sensors, which means users must remain cautious while flying in complex environments. Despite this, it offers stable hovering and beginner-friendly controls for a confident flying experience. Overall, the DJI Mini 4K Fly More combo stands out as a reliable and feature-rich drone, making it a great choice for users seeking quality and ease of use. Coming up next, we have the Potensic ATOM drone. The Potensic ATOM 3-axis gimbal drone is a compact yet powerful option designed for both beginners and adult users. It weighs under 249 grams, which makes it extremely portable and convenient for travel. Additionally, its foldable design and included carrying bag enhance ease of transport. The Fly More combo is well equipped, featuring 3 intelligent batteries, a parallel charging hub, and even a 64GB micro SD card. As a result, users can enjoy extended flying sessions without worrying about storage or battery limitations. In terms of performance, the drone delivers solid imaging capabilities with its Sony complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor and 12-megapixel camera. It records 4K video at 30 frames per second, ensuring clear and detailed footage. Moreover, the 3-axis brushless gimbal provides stable and smooth shots even in level 5 wind conditions. The PicSync 3.0 transmission system allows a maximum range of up to 6 kilometers, offering reliable connectivity. Visual tracking and quick shots such as rocket, circle, spiral, and boomerang add creative flexibility, making it easier to capture cinematic content. Furthermore, the drone is highly beginner-friendly with GPS-assisted flight and auto-return-to-home functionality. It also supports multiple flight modes, allowing users to adapt to different skill levels. The fast-charging hub powers 3 batteries in just 1.3 hours, delivering up to 96 minutes of flight time. Overall, the Potensic ATOM drone combines convenience, performance, and creative features, making it a strong recommendation for users seeking a reliable and versatile aerial companion. The last one on our list is the DJI Mini 5 Pro. The DJI Mini 5 Pro Fly More combo is a premium compact drone that combines portability with advanced technology. Weighing around 249 grams, it remains lightweight and travel-friendly while offering a foldable design for easy storage. The built-in 42GB internal storage is also a convenient feature, allowing users to capture content without needing extra accessories during quick flights. Performance is where this drone truly excels. It features a powerful 1-inch complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor capable of capturing 50-megapixel photos and recording stunning 4K 60 frames per second HDR video. As a result, footage appears vibrant and highly detailed even in low-light conditions. The 225-degree flexible gimbal and true vertical shooting mode enhance creative freedom, while Active Track 360 degrees ensures smooth and precise subject tracking. Moreover, omnidirectional obstacle sensing with LiDAR improves safety, especially during night flights. The drone also offers up to 36 minutes of flight time per battery, ensuring longer creative sessions. However, the higher price may be a concern for budget-conscious buyers. As a high-end mini drone, it costs more than earlier models. Despite this, it delivers top-tier features and performance in a compact form. Overall, the DJI Mini 5 Pro is an excellent choice for users seeking professional quality and advanced capabilities in a portable drone.